सपने हजारों देख लो तुम जरा, ये ड्रीम्स है सारे, खुशियाँ हजारों समेट लो तुम जरा, लाइफ की बातें। हर मोड़ पर रह बेफिक्र, बना लो तुम हंसी ये सफर। ओ हर मोड़ पर रह बेफिक्र, बना लो तुम हंसी ये सफर। अपनों की खुशी लिए साथ चल, SUD लाइफ इज ऑलवेज विद यू। हैप्पीनेस वाली जिंदगी, विद सुरक्षा और वेल्थ भी, हो जा बेफिक्र एंड स्माइल विद SUD लाइफ। हैप्पीनेस वाली जिंदगी, विद सुरक्षा और वेल्थ भी, हो जा बेफिक्र एंड स्माइल विद SUD लाइफ। सदियों का भरोसा लेकर हर मंजिल की ओर चले, हर वादा निभाया है हमने, एक संग है हम खड़े। ओ सदियों का भरोसा लेकर हर मंजिल की ओर चले, हर वादा निभाया है हमने, एक संग है हम खड़े। We are defined by a legacy, integrity, empathy, collaboration, trust and humility। चलो साथ बढ़े, हो जाओ बेफिक्र, बनाएंगे हंसी ये सफर। चलो 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 साथ बढ़े, हो जाओ बेफिक्र, बनाएंगे हंसी ये सफर। अपनों की खुशी लिए साथ चल, SUD लाइफ इज ऑलवेज विद यू। हैप्पीनेस वाली जिंदगी, विद सुरक्षा और वेल्थ भी, हो जा बेफिक्र एंड स्माइल विद SUD लाइफ। हैप्पीनेस वाली जिंदगी, विद सुरक्षा और वेल्थ भी, हो जा बेफिक्र एंड स्माइल विद SUD लाइफ।
Namaste, Vanakkam, Sat Sri Akal.
And a very warm, sincere welcome to all of you joining us for the quarter 2 of 2024 Utkarsh Awards. I am your host for the day, Kshitij.
And Radhika from the HR team. और आज हम सब सेलिब्रेट करेंगे
The incredible achievements of our SUD Life family, जिन्होंने अपनी मेहनत और डेडिकेशन से परफॉर्मेंस को एक लेवल ऊपर पहुंचा दिया है।
Absolutely. And with that positive energy, let's begin the Utkarsh Awards Quarter 2 2024. We are honored to have Mr. Mohit Rochlani, Chief Distribution Officer, with us to share some words of wisdom. Over to you, sir.
Hello everyone. Once again, it's always great to connect with you, and I hope all of you are doing fine in your places. So we've again come back to give the awards of Utkarsh, and I congratulate all the people who've qualified for these awards. Basically, these awards are meant for people who are doing well in their roles and also contributing and adding value to the organization. So once again, congratulations to all the winners. I think you all deserve it. Let me also talk about the year that has completed. So we've completed 9 months. We are in one of the most crucial quarters from a business perspective, and I'm sure all of you are contributing your bit in terms of making sure that this quarter is one of the best quarters for the organization. First of all, let me also thank everybody who contributed in terms of the NFO launch that we did, and it has been a wonderful numbers that we've created for the organization, and all people who put in their efforts, my big thanks and congratulations. But this is not the end. We will also be launching a few more products as well as few more initiatives before we end this year on a very high note. So keep on keep on listening to things, new initiatives, new products, and make sure that we leverage them the most. My best wishes to you. I would also like to wish a happy Republic Day to all of you, and do well. My best wishes to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Ready हो?
मैं तो ready हूँ क्षितिज.
चलिए फिर शुरू करते हैं. I would like to introduce our first category for today, which is our top performers in Bancassurance Bank of India channel. Starting with the top 10 performing sales officers on retail EPIS, and the winners are Somnath Maiti, Mechera branch; Krishna Samanta, Howrah branch; Vishal Rao, Chandrapur; Ananda Sharma, Durgapur; Komal Benake, Pune; Pooja Maske, Pune; Mohammad Nadeem, Kodarma; Santosh Kamble, Mumbai Andheri; Pratiksha Vaman More, Goa; Garima Singh, Lucknow.
Next up, we have top 5 territory managers BOI channel on SO productivity. And the winners are Krishnanu Jana, Nikhil Gaikwad, Pandra Das, Nirmala Datta, Sarwar Pathan.
And the next category is top 3 area managers Bank of India channel on target achievement. And the winners are Rajabhishek, Bhagalpur; Vivek Kundektiwar, Chandrapur; Dipankar Bose, Hazaribagh.
Next up, we have top regional managers BOI channel on target versus achievement on retail EPIS during Q2. And the winners are Dilip Kumar. Next up, we have top regional manager BOI channel on branch activation. And the winners are Arnab Mitra, Howrah BO. Congratulations to all the winners.
Moving on to our next category. Top 15 sales officers UBI channel on retail API during Q2 financial year 24-25. And the winners are Mamta P, Bangalore Jayanagar; Prasad Sukhadia, Rajkot; Anupam Mishra, Nashik; Kartik Bakar, Howrah; Jai Hitesh Vaishya, Ahmedabad; Ravina Pariyar, Gambhir; Abhijit Das, Kariyar; Madhukuri Anusha, Guntur; Shukla Das, Howrah; Manisha Valukar, Kampi; Rani Lavanya Reddy, Jubilee Hills; Anupama Singh, Jaunpur; Manjunath, Dadaji Nagar; Shubhra Pandey, Gorakhpur; Kumar P.S., Rajaji Nagar.
Next category, we have top 7 territory managers UBI channel on SO productivity. And the winners are Krishna C from Bangalore, Anurag Mishra, Gorakhpur, Padma Lachan from Bangalore, Anandan N from Bangalore. Priyanka Bangalore. Bhattacharya Ji from Howrah. Kalyan Das from Kolkata. Satyendra Yadav from Monat Bhanjan Bureau.
The next category is top 5 area managers UBI channel on target achievement during Q2 financial year 24-25. And the winners are Ashok Malli, Bengaluru Rajajinagar. Ambuj Srivastava, Jaunpur. Naresh Kumar Tiwari, Ahmedabad. Shantaram Devkat, Mysore. Kamampati Gupta, Kumul Bio.
Congratulations to all the winners. Next category we have top 2 regional managers UBI channel on target versus achievement on retail EPIS. And the winners are Prasad Satvedi from Bangalore, Satya Prakash Maurya from Gorakhpur. Next up we have top 2 regional managers UBI channel on branch activation. And the winners are P. Kumar from Ranchi, Sharat Sharma from Azamgarh.
Congratulations to all the winners. And the next category is top 2 zonal heads Bank of India channel on target versus achievement on retail EPIS during Q2. And the winners are Devendra Kumar Pathak, Ranchi, Jayanta Nandi, Kolkata, Salt Lake. Next category is top 2 zonal heads UBI channel on target versus achievement on retail EPIS during Q2. And the winners are Saurabh Kumar Jain, Lucknow, Yar Hussaini, Bengaluru, Rajajinagar. जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ हर पल है एक नया बहाना. थोड़ा म्यूजिक, थोड़ा गाना, फिर अवार्ड का सिलसिला ऐसा जाना. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the melodious performance by Amit Sarkar from Mata.
मेरा चांद मुझे आया है नजर, मेरा चांद मुझे आया है नजर. ऐ रात जरा थम थम के गुजर, ऐ रात जरा थम थम के गुजर. छाया है नशा मेरी आंखों पर, छाया है नशा मेरी आंखों पर. ऐ रात जरा थम थम के गुजर, ऐ रात जरा थम थम के गुजर. मेरा चांद मुझे आया है नजर. रह जाए ना प्यासा प्यार मेरा, मुझे बाहों में भर ले यार मेरी, इतना सा करम तू कर मुझ पर, इतना सा करम तू कर मुझ पर, ऐ रात जरा थम थम के गुजर, ऐ रात जरा थम थम के गुजर, मेरा चांद मुझे आया है नजर। अभी लबों को लबों ने छुआ नहीं, अरमा कोई पूरा हुआ नहीं। अभी लबों को लबों ने छुआ नहीं, अरमा कोई पूरा हुआ नहीं। अभी आस का गुलशन खिलना है, अभी तो जिस्मों को मिलना है। देखूंगा भी मैं वो मंजर, देखूंगा अभी मैं वो मंजर, है रात जरा थम थम के गुजर, है रात जरा थम थम के गुजर, मेरा चांद मुझे आया है नजर, मेरा चांद मुझे आया है नजर, ऐ रात जरा थम थम के गुजर, ऐ रात जरा थम थम के गुजर, शराब मुझे आया है नजर, आया है नजर, आया है नजर। थैंक यू।
Amazing performance.
Kshitij, you know how important it is to stay ahead of the curve, especially in today's fast-paced world.
Bilkul Radhika. Time is money and staying ahead of the game is crucial.
Well, SUD Life is helping our policyholders do just that with the launch of our new SUD Life Mid Cap Momentum Index Fund.
Oh really? ये fund करता क्या है?
So this fund is designed to track the performance of mid-cap companies that are showing strong momentum in the market. मतलब वो companies जो तेजी से बढ़ रही है.
अच्छा, so it's about capturing the momentum, right?
Precisely. This allows our policyholders to potentially benefit from the rapid growth of these dynamic companies.
Sounds quite exciting. What are the key benefits?
With SUD Life Midcap Momentum Index Fund, policyholders can, one, stay ahead of the market trends, second, reap the benefits of India's growth story, third, invest today to achieve their financial goals. आज ही invest करिए और अपने future को secure करिए.
This sounds like a great opportunity for all our policyholders to diversify their portfolios and potentially achieve higher returns. Moving on to our next category for the agency channel. Top 3 Business Development Manager, Assistant Branch Manager and Branch Manager, Q1 on EPIS. And the winners are Sushil, Noida, Anmol Sharma, Pitampura, Sonali Palil, Garia. The next category is Top Regional Manager, Q1 on EPIS. And the winner is Mukesh Mishra from New Delhi. Hearty congratulations to all the winners.
Moving on to our awards. Coming up next are the winners from Customer Experience and Retention Department, whose dedication has enabled our sales team to deliver the best quality of service to our customers. And the categories are Top Zonal Head on Branch Scorecard. And the winners are Ashish Agarwal, Patna. Top Regional Head on Branch Scorecard, and the winner is Sanjeev Chakraborty from Kolkata. Next up, we have Top 2 Area Head on Branch Scorecard, and the winners are Ranjan Lenka from Keonjhar BO, Manoj Roy from Ranchi BO. Next up, we have Top Branch Non-Hub with more than one CEE, and the winners are Sudipta Nath, Siliguri, Anik Sarkar, Siliguri, Jabraj Nayak, Keonjhar, Sujit Malik from Keonjhar, Himanshu Sahu from Keonjhar. Next up, we have Top Branch Hub, and the winners are Vikas Srivastava, Ayodhya, Najmul Laskar from Silchar, Ankur Roy from Silchar. Next up, we have Top Branch Non-Hub with 1 CE, and the winner is Manish Kumar from Chaibasa. Congratulations to all the winners. Let's have another rocking performance by Rohan Thakur from Marketing Department.
हम तेरे बिन अब रह नहीं सकते, तेरे बिना क्या वजूद मेरा, तुझसे जुदा कर हो जाए ये तो खुद से ही हो जाएंगे जुदा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। तेरा मेरा रिश्ता है कैसा, एक पल दूर गंवारा नहीं, तेरे लिए हर रोज है जीते, तुझको दिया मेरा वक्त सभी, कोई लम्हा मेरा ना हो तेरे बिना, हर सांस पे नाम तेरा, क्योंकि तुम ही हो, अब तुम ही हो जिंदगी, अब तुम ही हो चैन भी, मेरा दर्द भी, मेरी आशिकी, अब तुम ही हो। तेरे लिए जिया में खुद को जला
you so much for the performance.
All right, Radhika, let's move on to our next set of awards. These awards are for individuals who are incredibly. मुझे होता है ना जब कोई इजीली चेंज को एक्सेप्ट कर लेता है, डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस में एडजस्ट कर लेता है, क्या कहते हैं इसको?
Do you mean adaptable?
Adaptable, yes, adaptable. It was right there. कभी कभी ऐसे वर्ड स्लिप हो जाते हैं, you know. It's the same problem I face when I have some queries related to policies, HR. I know what I want to ask, but sometimes expressing it perfectly in English can be a little challenging. कभी कभी words इधर-उधर हो जाते हैं. I wish there was an easier way to communicate.
I understand, Kshitij. And guess what? SUD Life has heard you. We have made Sudha, our digital HR business partner, even more accessible now.
Really? कैसे?
Sudha can now converse in English. अब आप आपकी भाषा में बात कर सकते हैं. You can ask your questions in a mix of Hindi and English, and Sudha will understand and respond accordingly. You can now access information and ask questions related to the Employee Assistance Program directly through Sudha as well. एक ही जगह पर सारे solutions.
ये तो बहुत convenient है. So Sudha is now like a one-stop shop for all HR and employee assistance queries, and English too.
Exactly. We want to make it as easy as possible for everyone to get the information and support they need.
Moving on with the awards, we have the next category of winners who have demonstrated the values in their actions. These winners are selected through nominations and finalized by committees of CXOs. We had received a large number of nominations across field and corporate office. The first category, customer channel. Employees who have gone out of the way to support and help internal, external customers to uphold brand image and ethos, business continuity in challenging scenarios. And the winners are Shrikant Shelar, Customer Champ. He ensured smooth operations and improved services by managing vendors, audits, and branch facelifts, enhancing internal, external customer satisfaction. Supriya Upasni. She has acquired a new group term life customer through proactive liaising, boosting market share and client relations. Prajakta Nalwade. She implemented a proposal tracking for real-time policy updates, ensuring faster issuance and improved customer sales experience. Congratulations, guys.
Next up, we have Digital Champ. Employees who have made considerable impact for the department or beyond by providing a solution leveraging digital tools, technologies for an existing problem or has created new opportunities for the organization. And our digital champs are Naman Jhavar. He delivered scalable digital solutions, improving efficiency, satisfaction, and driving business growth. Gokul Krishna K. He automated key processes, reducing timelines and enhancing efficiency in critical digital projects. Subramanyam Arumugam. He streamlined PB.com integration, enabling seamless digital insurance processes and expanding digital presence. Congratulations to all the winners.
Next category is ESG flag bearer. Employees who have made considerable efforts to contribute positively to mitigate environmental risks, volunteered with NGOs or as a team at locations, or has work supported with communities. And our flag bearers are Sutanu Banerjee. He donated computers to tribal schools, Indian Tribal Care Trust, bridging education and technology gap. Samir Shinde. He has done exemplary contributions to healthcare environment and community sustainability initiatives like plantation drives, Project Shakti for women empowerment. Congratulations to both of you.
Next category is Game Changer. The award recognizes individual employee who has brought in disruptive ideas, transformation in processes, created innovative products or services, which has had considerable amount of impact on the respective function or beyond. And our game changers are Niyaz Sheikh. He transformed retail claims with tech and analytics, driving significant savings and improving fraud detection. Saklin Ali. He improved operational efficiency and accuracy in renewable auto-recepting and tele-DGH processes through automation. Vankarotu Sandeep. He excels in a new role, driving premium collection, streamlining processes, and improving customer service. Sandhya Shetty. She revolutionized operations training with innovative programs, enhancing employee skills and fostering a learning culture. Ganesh Yadav. He streamlined data management processes, improving efficiency, reducing manual work, and ensuring regulatory compliance. Amrit Gupta. He has been top S2S performer, exceeding targets and has generated 2.46 crore for Bihar and outperformed the second best region by 1 crore. Congratulations to all the winners.
The next category is Impact Awards. Impact Award recognizes individual employee who had a lasting impact beyond the function or department. This category is different from Game Changer since employees can also create larger impact in the current setup through execution, teamwork, resilience, new learning, or through skills which can support others or the environment, society at large. And the winners are Rishabh Agrawal. He developed a fund calculator simplifying the process for clients to understand interest rates, enhancing customer experience. Rohan Thakur. He led the relaunch of SUD Life product range, ensuring compliance and demonstrating exceptional project management. Babita Bipin. She improved sales compliance and PMJJBY claims handling, enhancing customer satisfaction and optimizing efficiency, saving 7 crores. Snehal Nayak. He empowered sales teams with innovative training solutions, driving business growth and achieving outstanding results. Sudhanshu Maliwal. He opened a new market for SUD Life by acquiring Mumbai Railway Vikas Corporation as a client. Sumit Kumar Jain. He integrated SUD Life's insurance products with leading banks, enhancing customer experience and driving bancassurance growth. Sujoy Nimkar. He delivered stellar returns on fixed income portfolios while safeguarding future policyholders' returns. Sundara Raghavan. He enhanced the efficiencies and effectiveness of branch audits, ensuring compliance and improving operational risk management. Congratulations to all of you.
Next category, we have Power of One. The individual contributors who have given consistent and superlative performance. Satish Durga. He has achieved 100% agency manning and 95% banker manning with lowest attrition. Agumani Sage. She excels in resolving customer concerns, multilingual, and improved customer satisfaction. Shlok Sharma. He independently managed vulnerability assessment and penetration testing programs. Mangesh Patil. He managed critical portfolios in fraud control unit, ensured 0 instances of excess payouts. Deep Shah. He contributed alpha generating calls, led to significant fund outperformance. Congratulations to all the winners.
The next category is a promising team member who has contributed significantly to his or her role within 6 months of joining. And our stars are Vinishno Angelin. She has managed complex commission changes accurately, improving efficiency and building partner trust. Amit Agicha. He played a crucial role in the smooth execution of the second phase of the claims project. Sam Richard Christopher. He identified and rectified critical errors in AML concurrent audits, safeguarding the organization. Puspanjali Parahara. She has consistently delivered high quality results and exceeded targets as an RHR. Ijabai Lamani. He achieved and exceeded targets despite relocating and facing challenges in new role under Mark.
Next category is Super Squad. This category is for teams who have created organization-wide impact through their ways of working, execution, and delivery. As a team, they have lived echo, brought in innovation to create large-scale positive impact on people, process, and customers. And the winners are Team WhatsApp Bot, and the members are Srinath, Naman Jawar, Naveen Kumar, Vijay Sanas, Vidhi Gohil, Rupali Ratwadkar, Sakleen Ali, Joaquim Fernandez, Suresh Vemula. The team successfully launched 25 plus enhanced features on WhatsApp Bot, enabling over 1.1 lakh transactions, improving customer experience. Next team is Distribution HRD, and the members are Ashish Kumar, Raghunath P, Prerna Pant, Malvika Singh, Prateek Patil, Prajwal Gamble. The team exceeded target by hiring 370 plus apprentices, reducing attrition and improving branch activation. The next team is Team Fraud Control Unit, and the members are Shushma Dhemre, Gururaj Nayak, Samir Shinde, Mangesh Patil, Sandeep Singh, Babita Bipin, Niaz Sheikh. And the team has prevented 26.80 crore in new business fraud and improved ethical sales practices across the organization.
The next award goes to Eco Ambassadors. Employees with high orientation towards organizational values, those are empathy, collaboration, humility, and ownership, with instances where the behavior was displayed and had a positive impact on stakeholders. And the award goes to Priti Shetty. She has ensured smooth office operations by managing repairs, maintenance, and housekeeping efficiently. Sachin Dali. He has demonstrated exceptional leadership by ensuring seamless backend operations despite challenges during infrastructural changes. Shweta Unikrishnan. She has spearheaded initiatives like the Empower Training Program and Process Captain, improving branch performance and reducing dependency on head office. Mayuri Kayuskar. She supported and guided grieving nominees to complete difficult bank documentations within a week. Gyaneshwar Gurav. He has demonstrated exceptional ownership by managing business simulations with remarkable speed and accuracy by ensuring end-to-end testing of dynamic variables like product weightage, critical for business and management insights. Congratulations to all the ambassadors. Now, I would like to invite our Chief Technology Officer, Mr. Arindam Ghosh, to address the winners and the audience with his thoughts.
Dear winners, hearty congratulations on the eve of Republic Day and creating a stupendous story for the Utkarsh platform. Whether you are a part of sales team in field or you are at HO, from HR, operations, IT, investment, actuary, whatever team or finance you are working in, this is the podium where we showcase your success story and our success story during the year gone by. This has been a very challenging year in terms of the multiple regulatory changes in the macroeconomic headwinds, but still, because of your dedication and support, we are here where we are. I'm sure each one of you will continue to make stride in the coming months and years and ensure that we progress in our path of growth. Incidentally, your success helped us to close the huge NFO success story. And at the same time, multiple side, we have created a new milestone, whether it is the number of products we have introduced this year or in terms of the first in the life insurance industry to become compliant in terms of special surrender value related regulation change, or in terms of coming out with exciting product and investment opportunity for our customer base. This all has been possible because of you, and this is the podium to release that success and create the new future path ahead. Congratulations again, and looking forward to working with you in the future as well. And all the very best. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your words of wisdom and your blessings.
Thank you so much, sir. With this, we come to the end of the awards. And we would like to thank each and every member who has helped make this Utkarsh Award a great success. Our IT team, admin team, marketing team, our telecast partner, and our very own HR team members who have supported us in making this event successful.
Congratulations to all the winners, and thank you all for being a part of this event. We wish you a very happy Republic Day. See you again in next Utkarsh.